When you've got to climb the rough side of the mountain, fear nothing. You need not go it alone. If you've been injured, remember this number, 1-800-HEYMAN. You'll always find help here. I'm John Heyman, and that's my promise.
Cancer Cam! Whoa!
Cancer Cam!
Hey, listen, next week on the show, we got a big bag of great stuff. We got Lisa Lampanelli and comedian Tom Cotter, Mitch Fatel. He's in the studio, right, next week?
And his saucy fiancée will be here. Not only will he be talking about his show at the Hukilau, but they are swingers.
Really?
And she is hot.
Swingers,
and when you see Mitch Fatel, you kind of wonder, how'd that guy bag something like that?
Yes.
You think they swing with former cancer patients?
I think they'd be willing to try anything once.
If you're kinky enough to try any kind of swinging, what's one more cancer guy?
What's cancer?
Yeah, that's right. When you're facing gonorrhea and syphilis, cancer seems like nothing.
It's like a paper cut.
Right. Also, next week, did I mention? I mentioned Lisa Lampanelli.
What are you doing?
Why are you moving around?
I'm doing the big finish for the Cancer Cam.
Oh, the big. Oh, right.
Oh,
big
okay.
Cancer Cam finish.
Right. Cancer Cam finish.
Cancer Cam! Whoa!